Good morning, everyone. Today is the 2nd of December, and I'm Shuchi Runta presenting the morning market update. The Nifty gained 54 points to close at 18,852 yesterday, a higher high and a higher low yet again. Most of the gain was on account of the higher opening, and intraday the markets traded with a negative bias. As alerted yesterday, the IT index were the top gainers, followed by the PSU banks and the metals. The advanced decline were neutral both on Nifty 50 and 500. If we check the market breadth, the index is slightly looking to be in the overbought zone, whereas on the Nifty 500, the breadth has improved and participation has increased, and there's a lot of room for further upside and participation if we talk stock specific. Technically speaking, the broader trend of the market is up. No topish signs can be seen. However, some time and price consolidation can be expected on the broader index in the coming few trading sessions. Stocks and sector specific actions may continue. 18,600 to 650 becomes the important trading support zone. On the upper side, gradually we can see the index hitting the 19,000 mark. FIIs were sellers yesterday, selling over 1500 crores in the cash and over 500 crores in the futures segment. Talking of the US indices, they had a quiet action with a bearish bias, digesting the Wednesday's gain. On the macro front, we would like to highlight that the dollar index and the US bond yields had a fall. Dollar index slips below its 200 exponential moving average and is currently trading at 104.8. SGX Nifty trades at 18,918. Levels for the day, Nifty supports will be seen at 18,660 and 18,550 mark. Resistance 18,880 and 19,000. For Bank Nifty, supports will be seen at 42,750 and 42,550. Resistance 43,400 and 43,500. Thank you.